Okay, hi guys. Tonight we're going to continue our lessons on making sense of slope. And I know the title says buying on credit, but we're really going to be looking at Paula and her workout schedule. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so the scenario we're going to take a look at tonight is Paula's cross-training for a triathlon in which she cycles, swims, and runs. Before she designs an exercise program, her coach consults the table listing the rates for calories burned in various activities, and that's this table right here. So Paula is exercising on 3 days, on Monday, on Wednesday, and on Friday. And for each of those days, we need to write an equation in terms of the number she bikes, jogs, swims, runs, walks. So we'll take a look at Monday first. So on Monday, Paula starts working her workout by biking for 30 minutes and then swimming. So we need to write an equation for the calories she burns on Monday in terms of the number of minutes she swims. So for all of the equations, we're going to let y equal the calories burned and for Monday, we're going to let x equal the number of minutes swimming, because we don't know how many minutes she's swimming, but we do know how many minutes she's biking. So when we're writing our equation, we need to know the calories she burned for Monday is how much she swims plus how much she bikes. So we don't know how much she swims, but we do know from this table over here that swimming burns 6.9 calories per minute. So that's what we're going to write here. 6.9 calories per minute, and x is the number of minutes she's swimming. And we do know that she's biking for 30 minutes, and biking burns 3.8 calories per minute. So when we simplify this equation for Monday, it's 6.9x, so however many minutes she swims times 6.9 calories per minute, and the product of 30 and 3.8 is 114. So our equation for Monday is y equals 6.9x plus 114. So now let's take a look at Wednesday. On Wednesday, she starts her workout by swimming for 30 minutes and then jogging. So again, we're going to define our variables. Y continues to be the calories burned, the total calories burned, and in this case, our x is going to equal the number of minutes that she jogs. Because it doesn't say here how much she jogs, just say that she does jog. So again, y is the total calories burned for Wednesday, and y is going to equal her jogging plus her swimming. We don't know how long she jogs, but we do know that it burns 7.3 calories per minute, and that she's swimming for 30 minutes, and swimming burns 6.9 calories. So if we simplify this out, 7.3 calories per minute for however long she jogs, plus the calories she burns while swimming, and the product of 30 and 6.9 is 207. So this is her equation for calories burned on Wednesday. So I'm going to have you pause the video now and then figure out the formula in terms of the number of minutes she spends running for letter C on Friday. So again, you want to pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and work it out, restart the video, and check your answer. Okay, so let's check our answer for Friday. Friday, she runs and she swims. We don't know how long she's running, so that's x is the number of minutes she's running, and again, y is the calories burned. running burns 11.3 calories per minute. X is the number of minutes she spends running, and again, we don't know what that is. And then she swims for 15 minutes, and swimming burns 6.9 calories for 1 minute. So to figure out for 15, we just need the product of these two numbers. So to simplify our equation, we get y equals 11.3x. Again, x is the number of minutes she spends running, plus the calories she burns swimming, which turns out to be 103.5. So her equation for Friday is y equals 11.3x plus 103.5. So question D, on the bottom, how many total calories does Paula burn on each day described in A through C if she does a 60-minute workout? So let's take a look at Monday, and I'm going to do it over here because I have some more room over here. So on Monday, the equation was y equals 6.9x plus 114. And so we know that on Monday, she biked for 30 minutes. So this was her biking for 30 minutes. Which means that in this case, if she did a total of a 60-minute workout, that means that she is going to swim for 30 minutes. Because 30 plus 30 is 60. So for Monday, we are going to plug in 30 minutes for swimming and add it to the calories she burned for 30 minutes of biking. And when we work that out for Monday, her total calories burned on Monday were 321 calories. That's Monday. Okay, if we take a look at Wednesday, the equation we had for Wednesday was y equals 7.3x plus 207. This 207 included 30 minutes of swimming, which means that she had to jog for 30 minutes. So when we plug in 30 for x, because again, it was a total of a 60-minute workout each day, it's 7.3 times 30 plus 207 for the amount of time she spent swimming. And when we work that out, we end up getting 426 calories on Wednesday. So the last one we need to take a look at is Friday. And Friday is right here, so I'm not going to rewrite it again. So here's our formula for Friday. So for Friday, it was 11.3 minutes for running, plus 103 calories for 15 minutes of swimming. So that means our X has to be 45 minutes for running. So we're going to plug in 45 for X and then calculate the total calories burned on Friday, and that would be 612 calories. So the calories on Monday were 321. The calories on Wednesday were 426. And the calories burned on Friday were 612. And that gives Paula a total calorie burned count of 359 calories burned on her 3-day workout. So, now it's your turn to answer multiple choice question 1. Jason purchased a car worth $18,000. The value of the car decreases every year by $1,225. Write a function rule to represent the value of the car, V, and T years after it's purchased. So just to give you a heads up, this is going to be our Y, and this is going to be our X. Paige earns $1,450 a month selling life insurance. She also gets a commission of 20% on all policies sold. Write a function rule to represent Paige's earnings, E, and again, that's our Y. To policies sold, that's our X. Be sure to enter your answers on the Google form.